Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss on how you can select an automation tool for mobile applications. I have given a kind of a checklist which you can refer, which you need to validate before identifying the automation tool for procurement. Once you does your analysis based on all these points, then present it to the leadership team. So if you use all these 10 tips, you will be in a better shape when you are identifying the tool for procurement. So let's go by one. The first important guidelines or a checklist here is this tool, is this mobile automation tool supports native apps, hybrid and web apps. Is this automation tool, does it support across all these technologies, native, hybrid and web technology, so that you can use a single automation tool. Second important question you need to ask yourself here is, so what are the different mobile platforms does it support? Does it support Windows, Androids, iOS, or Android only, or iOS only, or Android and iOS only, or all the platform does it support? The third point which you need to look here is, in what way the tool recognizes the objects. Every automation tool does support or does work in a different manner. On what technology this tool is working, whether this tool is working based on the image recognition or it operates on XY coordinates screen, or does it operate based on the text based recognition. So we need to validate what are the different technologies being used by the automation tool in recognizing the object, and also you need to do a proof of concept just to see is your application can be used to automate using these different technologies. Fourth important aspect to validate is this tool supports real devices or can be used via emulator and simulator. Automation tool should support using real devices, because when we automate the test scripts using real devices, when you are running your regression, your tool runs its scripts on real devices, real mobile devices. That would give close proximity like an end user who is going to test your application. The fifth, how the tool is generating the test automation reports. Let's say you are going to execute 100 automated test scripts, whether the reports generated are user friendly, so that you can do a analysis by using these reports to identify where the failures are happening. The sixth point is whether the automation tool really supports mobile orientation test, or rotating the device horizontal and vertical. Automation tool which you are trying to assess, does it support this mobile orientation? That also you need to look into that. Then if you move further, there is a seventh important item which you need to look here is the automation tool is having a capability to initiate request to mobile devices located remotely. Let's say your device is in sleep mode and you wanted to activate it. This is also one of the aspects. And eighth important tip here is, what is the programming language does it support? You should not look on record and playback for the long term gain. It is always good to look for the tool which you can bring automation using your programming skills. Even if your team is not well versed with the programming language, you can help them to learn. This is going to be beneficiary in the long run, because as your scripts getting increased day by day, the maintainability of the test script is also going to increase. So it is always, I do recommend, You should all the time you identify the automation tool which is having a mechanism to script. Do not go for record and playback. That will have a bigger challenges later when it comes to maintenance. Tool does really support continuous integration and continuous delivery. Last important thing which you need to verify that the tool which you are identified, does it provide good technical support. Normally if it is a commercial product, you will get a good technical support. Let's say if you are planning to identify an open source, then not much technical support you may get it, but you should completely depend on the community. There is an open community where people help each other in resolving the queries or questions. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also understood how you can identify the mobile automation tool and what are the criteria. You understood the complete checklist points which you need to verify before you are buying the mobile automation tool. If you are visiting first time to the Testingshala YouTube channel, please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos on software testing. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.